Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. You want to solve this quadratic equation. I believe it's chapter 15. You were given 4x squared plus 5x plus 3 equals 0. I'm going to solve a quadratic formula. You have to identify A, it's always coefficient squared term, B's coefficient linear term, which is 5, and C's your constant. Now, before you identify A, B, and C, you got to have it in standard form, which means 0 on one side, everything else on the other. Then we put it in this formula. You put B here and here, so the 5 go in place of the B's, A goes here, so you put 4 in place of the A's, and finally you have only one place to put C, and it goes here. So you substitute the numbers into the formula. 5 squared is 25. This product is 48. You want to find a difference, which is negative 23. Then we have this rule from earlier, square root of negative b equals I square root of positive b. And so you want to take square root of negative 23, that's I square root of positive 23. And that's in the story. Hope that helps.